So hello everyone. So let's start with the next type of multi-level inverter, that is diode clamped multi-level inverter. Before going to that, I just welcome you to Easy Study Academy. This is lecture number 2 on multi-level inverter topology. So today we are going to talk about the diode clamped multi-level inverter, how it works, why diodes are used. All doubts are clear during this lecture. So the diode clamp multi-level inverters are also called as a single source multi-level inverter because, as I told you in the earlier lecture also, that only in edge bridge multi-level inverter we needs multiple sources at input. That's why that inverter is called as a multi-source multi-level inverter. But diode clamp multi-level inverter needs only one source at input. Yes, again that source is we divided using a certain capacitors. Here you can see this one capacitor, this is another capacitor, this is another capacitor. Okay, so by using these capacitors we can divide the voltage across the every switch, or we can say across the every cell, so that we can get the multiple level of output in the output waveform. Okay, so in diode clamp multi-level inverter, the voltage across each capacitor and each switch is VDC. For n level inverter requires n-1 voltage sources, and here there are certain formulas are given by which you can calculate how much switches you need, then how many diodes you required. You can calculate the number using these formulas. Here it shows in the paper. Okay, these are these formulas. Okay, now so this is a 5 level diode clamp multi-level inverter, where the purpose of using these diodes here is just to minimize the dV by dt rate or voltage stresses across the switch. That's why the diodes are used here. Now this is what about the switching pattern of the multi-level inverter, of this multi-level inverter. And here this is the simulation diagram of diode clamp 5 level H bridge multi-level inverter. And similarly you can get result here also, that is result of 5 level diode clamp multi-level inverter. You can see here. Okay, this is one level, second, third, fourth, and this is fifth. So that's why this is called as a 5 level multi-level inverter. Look at here, it gives near to sinusoidal waveform. That's why multi-level inverter are more popular nowadays than that of a conventional inverter which is located into our house. So the diode clamp multi-level inverter has certain advantages also, that is wait 1 second. Yes, here that is by using the diode clamp multi-level inverter, the voltage stresses across the every switch is reduced. This is the main advantage of this diode clamp multi-level inverter. But in case of edge bridge multi-level inverter, the voltage traces across the switch is there, but it is in a very low value. But here by using this diode we can reduce that value also. So this is what about the diode clamp H bridge multi-level inverter. Here are certain advantages and disadvantages of diode clamp multi-level inverter. Up till now, diode clamp multi-level inverter is faces with some disadvantages, like the main drawback of diode clamp multi-level inverter is getting maximum output voltage is half of than input DC voltage. So means it will give output voltage than at half of the input voltage. So suppose I give 200 volt to the diode clamp multi-level inverter, then I am getting only 100 volt at output, so it is not useful in certain manner. Second disadvantage is that increasing in the number of switches, then diodes, capacitor increases the cost or complexity of the circuit. Then charge balance is the being getting disturbed for more than a 3 level. For if diode clamp multi-level inverter is we are going to implement beyond the 3 levels, then its charge balancing problem is present there. Okay, so this is what about the diode clamp multi-level inverter. In next video lecture we are going to talk about flying capacitor multi-level inverter. So thank you for watching. If you not subscribe the Easy Study Academy YouTube channel, then please subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon. This is Altaf Pathan signing off. Thank you.